3 a.m. in Malapoc. Yeah, that's better. It'd be very peaceful if it wasn't for the roosters. This is a beautiful spot here on this deck. Not sure having a PowerPoint there is a good idea. It's going to need a cover. That's going to get wet. Very wet. Signing out in Malapoc.
Si nanay. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Jangan la final.
Well, here's my garage after the typhoon. The typhoon that tore the roller doors in half and ripped this roof off. Yeah, so here the motors. They don't look too bad, first off. Well, anyway, I'm going to sell those, the hollow block maker, the cement. Maybe some people will want some of this stuff. I don't know. We'll see. Talk to Lynn later about what we keep and what we give away. Made some room to walk at least. Some of my tools, a generator. Someone lived here, but looks good. A lot of lights. All very interesting stuff. Maybe my clothes are in there. I'll have to have a look. Hot, humid, and working hard. You have to start barking when I start filming. Get on. Every time I get the camera out, I start barking. Alright, so I'm here in the Philippines, and this motor was caught in Typhoon Odette, where the garage was, the roller doors were ripped off and the roof was ripped off. But in general, the damage wasn't bad. I don't actually have any body damage. All the panels are good. But there's a lot of rust in the tank. So I've got the tank here at the moment. and it's got a few litres of gasoline in it, and also we're going to shake it around. So put a few litres of gasoline in here and a heap of rocks to knock loose all the scale rust. Right. And that's what I'll do for quite some time, and then it's quite humid here. It's not all sweat from hard work. It's not working that hard. So yeah, I'll knock most of the rust loose. Forgot where the camera was, and then I'll get the rocks out and put fresh gas in it, so that the filter doesn't get blocked in when the carburetor, all that stuff. I'll give it a good rinse with gasoline. This is buy gasoline here in the barangays. You buy it in litre bottles of cool drink. That's how you can buy gasoline here. There's the rinsing fuel. That's how much dirt there was underneath the petrol cap. So it's roughly been 6 to 7 years that it's been sitting there in the heat. So in the heat, moisture evaporates from the gasoline, goes to the top of the tank, and since the tanks aren't usually painted or treated on the inside, they start to rust on the inside. And this one was quite flaky. So, but when I'm done, I'll show you and see if it's worked or not, and how well it's worked. But it was really bad. I didn't film how bad it was, but we'll see. So this fuel cap was spotless before I put it back on, and that's how it comes out. And this is what it looks like now. Trying to focus. Anyway, it looks a lot better. It basically had like really bad flaking rust everywhere. Let me rinse it out and I'll show you again. Tank's so clean. Fuel is running. Key's not working. Ah, here we go. Well. After almost 7 years, it's finally registered. Woohoo! Look at that. Fresh new number plate. I can legally take it riding now.
Okay!
We're eating baka tonight! Meet my friend. His name is Dinner. Dinner. Mm. My brother will go live here.
No signal, no. No working. No,
You can upload later
Okay,
if you know
no
how.
problem. Plug. Eh, hala, plug.
I think he got a little bit excited.
Give up, give up. Give up. Give up. Oy!
Most gold is down there.
Lito.
Neck na lang.
Neck na lang.
Let's cut the meat. Let's cut the meat. Pull it up, pull it up.
Pulled up. Your first kill cow in Philippines. This is the meat from Philippines. I'm sure the flavor is different. And this is really big cow. This is $35,000 pesos. And there is more there. Lots of meat in here, in here, in here, and there's more. The intestine and the skin is in there.
Dinalian na laging trabaho ka.
Di, Jo, na ang nagmakina.
Get professionals, they say.
Salamat.
Mao doon na natugot gihapon.
Hindi, ina lukot-lukot. Siyempre, nagpira. Subog no. Sus. Mga pakpak.
De, kuha na, tali.
Ang mga din yung taon din ni Sigbitan.
Oh!
Maugan.
Oh, dang gahe ka, Jo. Kay ilang gilukot-lukot
Look at
ni.
them all here, one place.
Oh, tanawa, gilukot-lukot. Unsa ka man ay pagbira nga? Oh,
O, laki.
kali si Pugong.
Daning
Tanawa
hanap
karon.
kong tali, oh.
Tanawa ka rin ginagawa na. Dinabitan na nga na
2 days of hard work, man.
Rek, bisag pagkina na to gira.
I don't know, there's some sort of sensors here.
Mao di ang taon to sa Jasikuhan.
To turn when the water's low.
Oh, wala na
My God, that was a lot of work.
sa tubo. So ano, niya tanawa rin sumpad.
Taas ha?
Lapas lagi sa kampad.
Unbelievable.
200.
200.
220.
I think there's lots left.
Were you alright? Just like the first.
Yeah, I was alright, yeah.
So close.
Because the fuse is stuck, man.
Yeah, it was.
Trying to light them, they just wouldn't light. They're just like spluttering. Very poor quality. There's lots. There's lots. Huh?
They said never drop like that because
They already finished. That was a decent hit, I think. So the red car hit the white car, rolled onto its side, which we straightened. And the white car hit the tricycle, which hit my motor, which hit the tuk-tuk. But my motor's fine, lucky. Just broken number plate, bolt, that's about it. Nothing major. No problem. That's the biggest damage, I think. Lucky my motor's okay. A day in the life of Philippines. What is it? What's happening? What is this for?
For pista.
But not another 10 days.
It's coming. It's like because of the
Advertising.
advertising.
So why aren't we part of it?
Huh?
Why are we not doing it?
It's okay. It's just for the barangay.
Yeah.
This is for the barangay. This is not for Catholic. Nothing.
I know it's not for Catholic. I never mentioned Catholic. Said how come we are not in the parade?
Oh, because we are busy.
Ah.
Because we are busy. Bakit daw hindi kami sumali? Busy lang ako. We are busy. Oo.
This is the wet season in Philippines. Beautiful, beautiful wet day. A beautiful wet day. All that beautiful fresh water coming from the sky. Washing the road. My motor getting wet. What a view, what a view. Just a normal rain.
Are you so chill?
Everyday.
Ato, ito ko.
Lots of fishing boats. Not sure if they're after squid or prawn or crabs. Not really sure. Lots and lots.